Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this particular video, we're going to be working up with the settings of our SEO plugin. Now this is really very important. All right, so in the dashboard, it's just going to give you the notifications. In the feature, all the features that we have here are going to be coming up here, and I would recommend you not to just switch it off and just leave this as the default, what it is. And right here, you can see that we've got this XML sitemap. So if you just click on this question mark here, it says see the XML sitemap, and if you click on it, it's going to open up this particular XML sitemap that contains every of your page URL. So let's suppose that now if I just go into the product-sitemap.xml, then here is going to be a list of all the products that my website contains, along with the number of images that it contains, along with the last modified date, and everything is coming. Now, if you take a look at this, it says accessible website, and here I used a term that was the menu of our website that we will be providing to Google. So this is right here. This is actually the XML sitemap that contains every of the links of our products, every of the links of our product category, every of the links of our product tags, and like everything that our website contains will be right here on the XML sitemaps. Now, we will be basically submitting this XML sitemap to Google when we will be entering, or we will be just like verifying our website with the Google right here. Then we will be talking about that. So I would recommend you to leave this general settings right here. Let's just go ahead and let's first talk about the search appearances. Now, before going up into the search appearances, I want you to do one thing, is that if you go into the visit website right here, and now if you take a look at the visit site right here, and then you go to this right here, now you can see that this is set to home-iGlow shop. Now, the reason why it is set to home-iGlow shop is that because we installed a plugin and our settings that was there iGlow shop buy anything anywhere has been overwritten. So what we need to do is that we now need to change it. And how you're going to change it is that now you have to click on edit page over here, and now you have to change your homepage title right here. So whatever the title you're going to be entering here will be used there. So let's just go ahead and let's do that. What you need to do is to click on it, and here now you can see that we have got this title. So what we will do is that we will get rid of the title, and now we will get rid of the page, and now we will get rid of everything. All right. Now what we will do is that we will click on insert variable, and we will first add the site title. Then what we will do is that we will add a separator that is going to be right here. And then what we will do is that we will add buy anything anywhere at discounted rates. You can add 100%. Now 100% will actually cross, this is actually turning into red line. So if you go into the desktop, now you can see that this is, the dot is coming. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to just set this to guaranteed, so that we do get a green line right here, because this is telling us that don't go beyond that. So now you can go ahead and you can hit update, and now if you will go ahead and you will click on visit website and let this page be updated. So now once this page gets updated, now if you come up here and you refresh this, you will see that instead of home, now it's iGlow shop buy anything anywhere at discounted rates, and this is right here coming. So this is how you can go ahead and you can do that. Now here we've got the title separator. So this is going to ask you like what is the separator that you will be using throughout your website, and then you can go ahead and you can work up with it. So there are a lot of separators that you can use. So you can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this one, and whatever the separator you're going to be using will be used throughout here. So I would recommend you to use this one, or use this one right here, and then just go ahead and hit the save changes, and now it will be used throughout your particular website. So let's suppose that even if you use this one, and then if you will just refresh your website, you will see that there will be, instead of the dash, there will be a dot sign over there. So it totally depends upon you what you want to use, and you can then go with that particular one. So now right down below, we have got this home page. So since we have already done the home page, we now do not have to worry about it. And now here we've got this knowledge graph and schema. So here you're going to be entering your organization name. If you are a person, if you are building a personal website, you can use a person. If you are an organization, just select it to be organization and enter your organization name over here. And then what you need to do is to select the image and use your image logo over here. So let's suppose that we use this logo. We just hit select, and this is going to be added. And that's it. These are the only things. Now this information is basically useful when your link is actually saved on a social media website and these type of website. Then this is actually used for that. Now in the content types, this is the most important part, because now here, if you just uncheck this here, now we're going to be telling Google to search, give these links in your Google search results, and do not give these links in your Google search result. So in the post, now you can see that in the post we have got our all post, and in the all post page we have got like this hello world that is coming. So since this is an e-commerce website and we are not adding any type of post, then what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will say that we do not want to show post in the search results. We will just use that, and now the post will be excluded from the sitemap, and Google will not index this particular all the posts that our website contains. Similarly, right down below here it says show SEO settings for the post. So if you just go ahead and we click on edit to any of the posts, we will be taken to the post page. And now here you can see that we've got this SEO settings. So let's suppose that if we just set this to off, and now we just come down and we just hit save changes. Now these particular settings, these particular Yoast SEO settings will be removed because we do not want to include our post onto the search results page anyway. So now you can see that there is no post. So we're going to be excluding the post. Now the pages, since we want to include the pages are the most important part of our website. That is why we want to include it. And right here you can see that we have got the single page settings. So do you want to include the page in the search results page? Yes, we definitely want to include all of the pages that our website contains in the search results page. And then here is going to be a template for that. So now here, if we go to the about right here, and now if we go ahead and we view this about page, now you can see that this is how it's looking. It says about dash iGlow shop, and then this is actually the page. Now let's suppose that I add a template over here, and I just add it like this, about iGlow shop, and then I add a separator here, and I just add by anything, anywhere. All right, and now I just go down and I just hit save changes. Now this will work as a template, and what this will do is that this will go ahead and this will affect all of my pages. So this will be right here, about iGlow shop by anything, anywhere. Now even if I just go into my cart page, I just hit view cart. Now this will be considered as a page. It says cart iGlow shop by anything, anywhere. So this is how basically it's going to work, and it's going to affect all of the pages. It's not going to affect those pages that contains the custom title. So let's suppose that we just changed our homepage title, all right? Now our homepage title will remain that because we have changed our homepage title settings on the edit page, and then we went to the Yoast SEO over there and we changed it from here. So that is why it will be effective. But those particular pages that does not contain like custom changes, that will be appearing, that will be taken from the title itself. So this is how the template works. Now we're going to be keeping it to be simple, just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit the save changes. So now we are fully done with the pages. Now we've got this landing pages. Now this is something extra that your theme might show or anything. So if there is anything extra, I would recommend you to switch this to off and do not add it on the XML sitemaps. Now we've got this my template right here. So this is extra, we do not want. The only thing we want to be indexed is the pages and is the products. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch this to off, and we're going to switch this to off. And there we go. Now we are done with that. And now the last one is actually the product settings, and it says show products in the search results. Yes, we want to show it. The show SEO settings for the product. So let's suppose that if anyone wants to use a custom title or custom description, then definitely we want to use it. And then this is how it's going to work. By so before the title, you can add by title of the product, and then you can basically if you are selling your products in a specific country, then you can add this USA. by the product title in USA, and then there is going to be the separator. So just try to keep your title to be as spicy, as juicy as it can, so that people can get attracted to your particular title. So do it like that, and it's going to be applied to every single page. So now if we go ahead and we just hit save changes, and now if we go on to our store right here, and now if we just go ahead and we open up the iPhone 12 Pro Max, now here you can see it says buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. So similarly, like you can add buy the product title at cheap prices, and this is going to be applied to every single of the product. And what you can do is that similarly you can just edit a product and you can add a custom title to any of your product as well. So this is how basically it's going to work. Now we are done with the content types. Let's just go ahead and let's move on to the media attachments. So it says redirect URLs to the attachment itself. Now what does this mean is that let's suppose that I open up to the media and then I just go into the library, and so what this will do is that this is also recommended. So what I will do is that I will select this car, and if I just click view attachment page, it's going to redirect me to the attachment page and the image is loaded. Now if I just go ahead and I just set this to no, and then I just go ahead and I just hit the save changes, and once the settings are actually changed, now if I just come up here and I just click view attachment page, it's going to redirect me to the website, and then we've got this image, the title, and then anyone can comment. So why do we need this anyway, to just like load our header page, logo and everything? We just want to redirect them to the image itself. So just set this to yes, and then just go ahead and hit the save changes. Now let's just go ahead and let's talk about the taxonomies. So taxonomies are basically the category, the tags and everything. Now just use the product category and product, the post category and product tags that are coming here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to exclude them from the search results, and we're not going to show the SEO settings for that. Similarly for the post tags as well, we're going to exclude them. And the formats, so here it says show formats in search results, we're going to exclude them as well. And now we've got this product categories. Yes, we want to include them. And we've got show SEO settings for product categories. Yes, we definitely want to show SEO settings. Now if we go ahead and we take a look at the product categories, like if we now go to the laptops, now you can see that for the laptops it's just going to be laptop dash iGlow shop. And it's just like that, laptop archives iGlow shop. So instead of this, what you can do is that you can use by the category title at discounted rates. And then what you can do is that you can go ahead and you can hit the save changes. And now if you come up here and you refresh this over here, then instead of this, it's just like that, buy a laptop at discounted rates. Now even if I go into the accessories, it's going to be like buy accessories at discounted rates, and every of my category pages done with that. Now we changed our desktop category to be like buy best selling, because we are using a custom title for this. So custom titles will remain that. The only those particular titles of the taxonomies that has not been changed will be affected here, and whatever you will be adding here will be automatically added there for the product categories right here. So we want to show the SEO product settings for the product categories. And now we have got this product tags. So we want to show the product tags in the search results, and for the product tags you can leave it as it is. And we want to show SEO settings for the product tags as well. Now we have got this product shipping classes, so we do not want to show the shipping classes in the search results, so we're going to just do that, and we're going to hide the SEO settings for the shipping class as well. Now here it says remove the categories prefix, so we want to include that, so we're just going to keep it, and there we go. Now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit save changes. So now here we have got this archives. So if you are building a blog website and the author just comes to your website and write articles, then this is necessary. But since we are not integrating the blog functionality, we're just going to switch this to off. The date archives, we're going to switch this to off. This is also used in the like blogging purposes. And the special pages is like you search for search phrase. So if you just come up here and now we search for like iPhone over here and I just hit enter, the title is going to be like you searched for iPhone, and then it's going to be the title of the website. So this is how it's going to work. And now we have got this 404 pages. So let's suppose that if we land onto a page that is not existing and we just hit enter, now you can see it says page not found. All right, so what you can do is that for the page not found, what you can do is that you can write here, alas, page not found. Or you can write here, oh snap, page not found, bye-bye. So now if you just come up here and if you just save the changes, and now if you just refresh this, you will see that it will be, oh snap, page not found. So these are the special pages title settings you can do. Now, here is what we have, the breadcrumb settings. So what is the breadcrumb? Let me show you. Now, on the shop page, you can see that if I just open up any of the product, we do get the breadcrumb right here. So this is actually the breadcrumb, and this is really important for the SEO. Now, since our theme already has it, we're going to be coming up here, and we're going to be just like disabling it. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit disable. And now, if you just come up here and you refresh this, you can see that it won't matter because our theme already has it, and we do not want to include that onto our particular breadcrumbs over here. Now, this RSS feed, now what this is that let's suppose that if some people are just copying some of the content from your particular website and they are just adding it onto their website, just like they're scraping it via the machine learning algorithms, and they're adding it onto their website using the RSS feed, then in that feed, this is going to be added, like the post link appeared first on your particular website. So just leave this as it is. It is really great in terms of getting backlinks for your particular website, but this is mostly used in the post, not on an e-commerce website. So now we are fully done with our general and the search appearance settings. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we're going to be working up with the single settings. Like if we go on to the edit product over here, and now we're going to be talking about like the single thing settings over here. We're going to understand it, like how everything is working, how the focus key phrase is working and everything. So stay tuned, and bye-bye.